Alright, well, I haven't made a video in a very long time, so you know what? Fuck it, we're making a video today. I got a new camera, so I got the A7 III and then the Tamron 28 to 75 millimeter lens to go with it. And I got this envelope, which is my Rolling Loud ticket. It's next weekend, so we're actually driving down there December 13th, which is a Friday the 13th. So, shit, I don't believe in that, but you know, we'll see what happens. Anyways, so if you're going to Rolling Loud, you'll see me there. This is the ticket. I've gone 3 times, so seeing the ticket isn't as exciting anymore. You know, it comes in this Ziploc baggie that looks like fucking weed, and then you get the bracelet. I actually went to the Bay Area one like 2 months ago, and that shit was lit. And I actually made like a little 15-second video that I took with my iPhone, so you can watch that right now.
Still poppin' Zans, 2019. Poured a link, got me stuck in a dream. Started hitless back in 2014. I got a ice on me, drippin' saline. Fathers came in off a hunt. Me and my niggas still drippin' for fun. Didn't know I was the one. Still got niggas on the run. Yeah.
For the more interesting part, here's the fucking camera. So yeah, so here's me. Here's the box. I'm gonna open it. Here's the manuals. I don't know if anyone read that shit. Oops. Here's the camera strap. They're usually hella ugly. So there's this charger, battery. Fuck these clothes, bro. Like, what the fuck? Here's the charger and the fucking camera. Hopefully I'm in focus this whole time. Oh damn, this shit is kind of small. But here's the fucking camera. It looks sick. But I don't have a lens yet. Let me get that shit. Alright. So here's the fucking lens. I don't know if I'm talking hella quietly, but fuck it. I probably am. Yo, what the fuck? This shit won't open. Fuck. What the? Alright, there we go. There we go. Alright, well here's the fucking lens. Glass. Okay. We looking nice. Definitely heavier than my older camera. Oh, I'm out here trying to turn on the fucking camera, but guess what? The battery's still in the bag, so it's not gonna fucking turn on. Battery goes in here. Holy shit. Alright. Bam. Turned it on. English. Set area, date, and time. San Francisco. Daylight savings. Is that still on? Fuck it. What's the date today? Today is the 3rd still at 11:46. December 3rd, 2019. 11. 11:47 p.m. Bam. Month, date, year. I don't get any other fucking date format like month, date, year. It just makes sense. Play memories, fuck the play memories app? Oh, well, the battery's dead, and I have no SD card, so I can't even mess with this shit. Anyways, you get the point. The point of this video is I'm back, and I'm about to start making some videos, so stay fucking tuned. Alright? Peace out.